Hey there. Let's take a quick look at something that makes life in EAM just a bit easier. See this button? It already tells you how many breakdown work orders are still open on the same asset. Click it, and boom, you get all related work orders in one clean list, complete with filters so you can slice and dice things however you like. And with this view, you're not just planning downtimes the smart way. You're also planning your team just as easily. With a single click, you can open the corresponding work order directly. Super simple. And of course, we also have the calendar. With one more click, you jump straight into a clean, visual calendar view. Fast, straightforward, and still no need to wake up the big scheduler. And of course, we've got quick filters here too, for example, by trade. But honestly, this thing is as expandable as you want it to be. Add more filters, more fields, go crazy. And that's it. If you enjoyed this little boost for your EAM planning life, go ahead and hit like, leave a comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.